Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Master Switch Designs. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this simple t-shirt design in Photoshop and how I'm selling it on Amazon.com. So if you want to make similar designs and start making money on Amazon, so continue watching and I will show you exactly how you can do that. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Before we get started, if you are new to this channel, my name is Ray's Master and I am a Merch by Amazon designer, and I give out tips and tricks on this channel to help you improve your sales in Merch by Amazon. So if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, watch this video till the very end. If you do like it, please leave a like, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it in the comment section below. So let's not waste more time, we'll get right onto the video. So this is a design that we're trying to recreate today. It's a simple yet very awesome 3D text design. This is my design that is currently live on Amazon. The link is in the description below. As you can see, it is a simple design with the words "Make Heaven Crowded." Instead of just having "Make Heaven Crowded" as a normal text, I try to create creative ways to make people want to buy this t-shirt. You can have different colors in this design. I will show you next how I made this simple design in Photoshop. So as you can see, I am currently using the template provided by Merch by Amazon. If you don't know where and how to use these templates, there is a video in my channel which explains where you can download this template and how to use it properly. So if you don't know already how to use it, please go back to that video and then come back over here to see how I edit and make my designs in this template. So we're starting off with a blank screen. What you'd want to do is start off with a nice bold design. You can find several fonts online, or you can use one of the fonts that are currently available in Photoshop. So I'm currently using this font over here. You can download it in the link. The link is going to be in the description. So this is a font. You can have any word that you want. Currently, we're looking to make. So what I usually do is I usually have a black color in the background to make it easier for me to see these designs. You'd want to try to make it nice and bold. So that looks like an appropriate size for my text. Obviously, we can change it in the end. Let's just see how it looks on our t-shirt. So I just do Control S and go back to my t-shirt template and see where it ends up. See, it looks good. Nice placement. I'd like to have it centered and try to keep it in between the arms over here. So now we can go, instead of just having it like this, we can try to make it a 3D text design. So what I usually do is I go into the select tool, I select the whole text, make sure that this tab over here is selected, and then I go into select, modify, expand. Over here you can select your pixels. I usually do trial and error depending on how it looks. Give it a couple tries. I will try 40 at the moment. See, it expands the selection by 40 pixels, which looks okay. I would like to keep it that way. Currently, I hide this layer and select a base layer, base color that I want it to be. So in my original design, I have the colors going from light to dark to darker to darkest. You can have it any way around. It's just I prefer it going that way. And you can select any color you want, but for this example, I am just going to select this shade over here. And then you select this tool and you fill it in completely. And then you bring back your text, which you had turned off earlier. Now you can deselect, use the move tool to align your text to wherever you'd want it. So this looks really nice. I like how it's aligned from the top and it gives it a bit of a 3D look. It's already looking much better than it was before. And now if you'd want to add another layer behind it, do the same exact thing. Select the text tab over here. Select all the words. Make sure you've got everything. We missed out too. And then you go select, modify, expand, and we'll try to keep the pixels 40 again, like we did before. And then we will hide this, add another layer on top of this layer, on top of the other layer that we already made, and we'll make it a shade darker. You can obviously go different colors depending on what your preference is, but this is for just this example, this is the way I am doing it. And so you can see I've turned on all the layers. We will deselect it and we will move our layer that we just created. So it takes a bit of trial and error to properly align and get it exactly how you want it. So I usually look at one letter, and if one letter is looking good, the other ones should look good as well. And if I'm happy with my design, I save it, and I'm happy with how it currently is. Maybe a little bit on the left and the bottom, and yep, I'm happy with that. If you want to add another color, you can do so. Same way like we did before. Now we can bring back all the layers that we have and rearrange like we did before. So obviously this takes a bit of trial and error. You can change the colors as you like. You can change the amount of 3D effect that you want on your design. So now we have a 3D kind of look to our simple text design, and now we want to add a border to the letters in Make Heaven Crowded. So we can do it the similar way that we did before by reducing the pixel length, or we can select the border tool and do it that way. So I'll show you how to do it with the border tool, so you learn something different. Make sure you've selected the correct tab over here. You go select, modify, and border. We'll use the border 50 pixels, see how that looks. Yep, I think I'm happy with that. You minimize this layer, make a new one, add it below, and remove the background because we want to add a black border, and it's just going to mix with the background. Yep, so you deselect and you go back to making all the layers visible. Yep. And there you have it. There is your 3D text design, which looks exactly like I have it on Amazon.com. You can make your border a little bit sharper if you'd like, but that's up to you. You can use different colors and play around, be a little creative. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you liked this video. Please leave a like if you do so. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. All the links that I said will be in the description section below. So make sure you do check them out and have a good rest of the day.